An evolution in workshop tools. Introducing the Neji Saurus GT. It's happened to all of us. You're turning a screw when... Oops! You find yourself with a stripped screw head. A conventional screwdriver won't do you any good. But the Neji Saurus can handle the job. Watch the Neji Saurus grab hold of that screw head with its strong teeth. Water heater maintenance. Outdoor air conditioner units with rusty screws. Photocopier, fax, and other OA machine maintenance. Furniture assembly and interior architecture. Bicycle maintenance. Motorcycle repair. The Neji Saurus makes frustration with stripped screw heads a thing of the past. Why is the Neji Saurus such a perfect tool for grabbing and turning damaged screws? The jaw threads on ordinary pliers lie horizontally. This allows the pliers to slip, preventing them from getting a firm grasp on the screw head. But the Neji Saurus features both vertical and horizontal threads, which get a tight grip on the screw head. The Neji Saurus tight grip makes it easy to handle any stripped or rusty screw head. But that's not all. Neji Saurus's internationally patented jaws can also grasp low-profile screw heads in the 1 millimeter range for PC assembly or hard disk renewal. Once grabbed, never slipped. Innovative perfection, the Neji Saurus GT. Now on sale.